How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to go over our K-Force 18 TIR. When you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cable. Then you'll notice a connector here at the end of your cable. That's to be used with our optional SIG plug, or you can cut this off and hardwire to your vehicle as well. Now today I am going to be using our optional SIG plug, so I'll plug this in via connector here, and then I'll plug my cigarette lighter into my cigarette lighter port. And then you'll see that you have your on-off switch here, which you can activate your light bar, and you'll see with an LED indicator here that your light bar is on. And then you have your flash pattern switch here, so you can switch through your different flash patterns. You can get programmed on a flash pattern you like, and then you have memory recall on this unit, so when you turn your unit off and back on, it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here. So if you hold your flash pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your flash pattern button down for 5 seconds, you'll notice your light bar will go to its random flash pattern mode. So you'll see the light bar will begin to go through its flash patterns in sequence, giving you that random flash pattern mode effect. Now this is an amber unit, but we do offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I have our standard red-blue setup, and then here I have a green-clear alternating color setup. Now again, we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. When it comes to the housing of this light bar, you'll see that the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath the light bar that you have extra drainage holes underneath each screw hole for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you have your included magnetic feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track on the bottom of the light bar if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then we also offer a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud bracket that you'll use the existing hardware from the light bar feet to mount these brackets like so, and this unit will use 2 permanent mount stud brackets. And then we also have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to, and then you can sandwich on your headache rack bracket like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 18 TIR. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.